Hi, Sarah Banas. I'm going to show you today how to not get bubbles in your self-adhesive vinyl. So, often when you put down your vinyl, you see all those little bubbles. I'm going to show you how to avoid that. It's super easy. So the first thing you're going to do is get yourself a little spray bottle. You can get them at the dollar store. Put water in it. Put just a little tiny bit of soap in it. It doesn't matter what kind. Most people use dish soap. So a little bit of soap, water. Let's get our blank. These are little, I like to make little sun catchers out of them. I drill little holes in them, put a little chain, super cute. So this is what you're going to want to do, okay? You're going to want to shake up your water, okay? And then just spray a little bit on there. Not a lot. I don't like that much is plenty. Maybe one more spritz. Okay, I already have this on my transfer tape. This transfer tape that I'm using, this is Cricut's the linerless transfer tape, and I really like it. I've been using it now for, I don't know, probably 6-8 months since it first came out, and I mean it's just miles beyond. I used to use one that I'd get off of Amazon, and I'd get a giant roll for $15, and they Cricut sent me some of this to try, and I can't get enough of it. I love it. Okay, so what I do for my placement is I use a piece of parchment paper, or not parchment paper, excuse me. Yes, parchment paper. What am I talking about? I use a little piece of parchment paper. It's baker's paper. You can get it in the baking aisle at the supermarket, and it helps you with placement. So I'm gonna pick this up, and I'm actually gonna look at the back of it to see if it's where I want it, and see how I can move it around on there with that parchment paper on there. And I put the transfer tape just a little bit above so I can hinge it. So that's perfect. So I'm gonna put that down, and I'm gonna pick that hinge up. I'm going to take that transfer tape off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly take it off, and see how I'm like pressing that down. This is just a little squeegee. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it in the video description. And then just like that. Rest of that off of there. And now you're just gonna kind of work that out. Make sure there's no bubbles in there. Take this off. And then you can see there's no bubbles at all. It's real, I mean, it really is just, oops. I messed it up just a little bit when I laid it down, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna take, and I'm just going to take a piece of paper towel, wipe the extra off. Give me just 1 second. I'll lift it up and I'll show you that. Oops. I'll just show you that there's no bubbles in there at all. Oh, one tiny little bubble. But again, you can get that right out of there. That's no big deal at all. But you can, I mean, you can see the difference. It's a huge difference. See how nice and even that is without the bubbles? And then, I mean, if you want to stick around and watch me put the names on, I do the same thing with the parchment paper. Oops. There you go. Thin lines are always a little bit difficult to get off. When I'm taking, when I'm using self-adhesive vinyl, this is how I do it. Get that first little bit, and then I peel it at a real tight angle. And it usually comes up pretty good. There we go. So now I do the same thing, put it so that it's hinged. Now for this, I'm going to go right around the back of it. So I'm going to pick this up, and I'm gonna flip it right over. I can get it perfect on there. Just like that. Yep. And then just put your little bit of transfer tape so that you can form that hinge. Pick it up, and this time you don't have to be super careful. This time it'll just fall into place. Don't mind that I did it off the edge a little bit there. So be a little bit more careful with your placement. But that's, I mean, that's all there is to it. And that, oops, and that is how you get no bubbles. See that? Isn't that so nice? No bubbles at all. And that's just, I mean, it just looks so much nicer. And you can obviously do that with any glass. So if you're putting it on a car window or whatever, but that way you don't have any bubbles in it. And that's it. So like this video and follow my channel. It helps me out a lot. Join us on Facebook. I'll link, we have a ton of Facebook groups. I'm going to link Cricut for Beginners. It's just under 1 million members at this point. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So join us there also. That's it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.